So you were thinking to start construction of your home, office, or factory after rainy season on an auspicious date. So that date has come. On 12th October, after 10:59 a.m., there is VijayaDashami. VijayaDashami considered best muhurta for any activity, but on that day, there is Sarvartha Nakshatra. Sarvartha Nakshatra is considered very good for starting any type of construction. And the best thing is that on that day, there is Sarvasiddhi Yoga, astrological combination for realizing all your ambitions. So start construction of your home, office or factory on 12th October after 10:59 and see the miraculous results. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from AstroDevam.com.